90% of the Kolotsa Gauteng, they have a Jamaica. They feel like since Kosas enters school, I'm making an example. They feel like when Kosas is taking the school out, it's the responsibility of the teacher.
Hey. Had a dream to go walk in the palace. In the crew, I am Dennis the Melis. In the city, you look all it.
Hey, keep podcast. We back again. We back. It's hosted by me, Tate Mosweta, at Alafam, Today I have Shanolo Mahine. You may not know him, but Tate Mahine.
Yeah, this is the Shanolo Mahine, guys. If you want to get me, you can get me on Facebook. I go by the name of Sam Mahine. So if you feeling like you want to communicate, stuff like that, or you're interested, hit the like button, thumbs up, and subscribe. Support my family too.
Support. You did well now. It's taking tough with money. That girl, I got to guess this one. Otiaka. Na kya ubona fela moskela mara kutabe. Otiaka, how do you take away? My name,
well, my list is kind of broad, but I wouldn't say,
long story short,
I wouldn't say Gauteng. Originally, like I'm from from the Free State. Then we are chasing the dream. We are here in Gauteng. We want to make money. We are here at school over there. I want like to create a better future, break the poverty, the chain of poverty. So yeah, this is me fighting for the South African dream. Yeah.
You know what you want to do, Otiaka. So we plan it well.
Yeah.
Okay, primary.
Still a long story, but I'm going to keep it short. Here in Gauteng, I went to a primary around there called Sputum Primary School. So if Ma'am Sima is watching, I love you, ma'am.
I'll cover that.
Yeah, I'll cover that.
Okay, Alpha, in which year?
I think it was 2021. Because 2020 was COVID. Yeah, 2021. I did my grade 8 here in Alpha 2021.
How did it feel your first day to Alpha?
Oh, it was hectic and depressing. Oh, it's like you meet new faces.
Yeah.
You get exposed to this new world.
Yeah.
The new world when you see like Makita, you get exposed to like these individuals. Abaiti Taki. I'm a victim, guys, because I got affected.
Affected? You didn't get affected. Everybody, there is a thing. How about Pasali? So which is more? So Otiaka, were you always like this? What do you want to do? Double my grade 7.
Grade 7?
Yeah.
Okay, grade 7 I was still kind of confused because I had a lot going on.
Yeah.
I did not think South Africa as a country is going to get through this because the world, as we know, it was facing a pandemic, coronavirus. So it was it was depressing, the world was ending. I think we did not go to school for 5 months. And
It was
so at that point, as an individual, you end up doubting your dreams. You end up starting to find means for survival, not thinking abroad or shooting for the stars. You end up aiming for the moon. So that's how it was for me. So
what are you thinking? Because we find but one or no matter what we should be in the future are next.
And people are aiming low these days.
Come advise our him to
the sky is the limit, guys. Space is the limit, or the galaxy, the cosmos. I mean the Milky Way, even if you reach the black hole, guys, still have hope that beyond that black hole, even though it consumes light and stuff, but there is hope beyond that black hole. We did not think we were going to pass through the COVID-19, but here we are.
But I'm not just failing. So, being a student at Alafam, what was the most challenging thing that you have faced?
School issues, guys. Okay, Alafang, I do admit it's a very good school, Alafang. So,
The problem is the students,
yeah,
not the school.
Yeah, the problem is the student, not the school. Not the school.
Yeah.
Because you get exposed to like, you'd be surprised knowing that 90% of the colons are Gauteng, they have a Jamaica, whereby like they interact with, like they smoke weed and stuff. So that's why like I'd say high school for me, you get exposed to this new world. This world that you were not exposed to necessarily go primary, because primary level 7 in the morning. But
Hey! Who want to report him on a teacher 7 cafe?
No, level 4.
Because like we knew yes, no travel come hours.
I think like it's a matter of distractions.
Yeah.
Like there are a lot of distractions in school, and I feel like mentality that the student is that like they feel like since Kosas enters school, I'm making an example. They feel like when Kosas is taking the school out, it's the responsibility of the teacher to make sure that at the end of the year the student passes. So let's say for example Kosas enters school of it's not my problem that school is too late. Kosas overpowered the teachers. The teachers are going to make a plan so that I pass. It's not my problem. Then they end up not slacking off with their schoolwork or not studying because they are waiting on the teacher. And the teacher, on the perspective of the teacher sees Kosas as a student representative or organization that is students in South Africa. So the teacher is basically wondering, okay, if Kosas enters school, it basically means that the students are taking themselves out. We have also, because like Kosas, so the teacher will then think, okay, since Kosas is doing this, it means that the students are ready. It means that when I can throw them a surprise test tomorrow, they're going to pass it because they were there. I want the front highlights from number 1, but if we pass a medical level 1, so it's bad. It's really bad.
What I can guess it's on a low and I take one something standing I could have gone so far.
So like the previous game.
No, I give one.
If you're watching previous games,
I give one. This man only knowledge
no, seeing like how it's a debater. I'm a debater, guys, by the way. So when you're a debater, you see the world in a different perspective.
Sure.
You see the truth for what it is, not a sugar-coated or something that is not made to be true, or a fairy tale, guys. So you need to speak the truth and fight for your vision.
So debating, we joined it.
Debate. I started debate like instantly when I joined Alafang. And then I went through some stuff because I was failing really badly. So you like looking at a guy like me, you wouldn't notice.
You wouldn't say,
this guy